Hi guys, I'm Noreen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to create a casual pink toned makeup tutorial which I consider is mask friendly, especially because it focuses on the eyes but it's still a neutral color, and I'm wearing products that don't transfer too badly onto the mask and then don't cause a lot of problems on the skin either. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you can see more videos like these. Also, if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. So let's pin up our hair. A little bit of extra caffeine and hydration because I'm trying to get these videos recorded before my daughter gets done with her school. I wanted to do this look with two new products that I've been trying. So one is the Mercier, the Caviar Stick Eye Color. I have this one in Nude Rose, and this will be the eyeshadow I'll be using. Can you guys hear the banging in the basement? We have housework being done, so unfortunately you can hear them from the vents, so there's really not much I can do about that. The other product that I've been playing around with is the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm in the color Dolce Vita. I've already moisturized, I've put some sunscreen on, contact lenses are in, so we're gonna get started. The funny thing is, the more I'm trying to rush, the more mistakes I keep making. I just almost forgot to put my primer on. I'm just looking down in my mirror. Okay, concealer is done. And now that we are wearing masks too, I've noticed that face makeup takes a back seat and you can get away with some really nice eye makeup. All right, this was my powder foundation. Oh man, I hope I didn't get a lot on my new shirt. I purchased this top from J. Crew. The collar's up high, so I accidentally brushed some powder, so I hope to get my powder foundation too much on there. I'm gonna set my under eye. You know, I recently purchased the Mercier translucent powder. I think I'm gonna give that a try in the next video. All right, this is a new find. I've been trying out a new brow pencil. It's the LA Girl Brow Bestie triangle tip brow pencil, and I am the color brunette. I purchased this one from Ulta. It was on sale. Love it. And I tried it yesterday for the first time, and it lasts a long time. Okay, I think that looks even. Now to the exciting fun part that I wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna apply the Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Nude Rose. And it's so easy to apply. There is no glitter in this. Instead, it's a really pretty shimmer. What I just do is take my middle finger and I just spread it out. Try to keep the focus in the middle of my eyelid. I try not to go too high up in my crease. And I am a sucker for pink eyeshadows. Pink is the only eyeshadow color I can pull off without even thinking about it. I can't go wrong with pink eyeshadow. It's a very easy color to work with on my complexion. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of crease color to this, so I'll be right back. Time to recaffeinate. So I'm gonna pull out my Tartelette in Bloom, my oldie but goodie, and I'm gonna use this jet setter in my crease to just give it a little bit of depth. And I'm not gonna go too dark with this, just enough to create a little bit of almost like a contour within my eye. I'm gonna line my eyes. Do a little tight lining. Add a little primer to my eyelashes. And while my eyelashes are all white and spooky, I'm gonna remind you guys, if you guys are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the products that I'm using, please leave a comment down below. Just a contour. Add some blush. Finish up my lashes. Okay, finally for my lips, I'm gonna line them with the Revlon ColorStay color in Wine. Now I'm gonna use the Nars lip balm is the Afterglow lip balm in the color Dolce Vita. I love this so much. I ended up buying a few other colors. They're on their way. The lip liner provides a little bit extra color to the lip balm as well, so you get a little bit of darker tint than you would have gotten if you were using the lip balm by itself. That's why I like to line my lips first. So I'm gonna go play around with my hair. I have it where I like it. So that, my friends, is my completed look. I call it a mask friendly look because I'm wearing powder foundation, which has a little bit of transfer to the mask, but it doesn't give me acne. The other advantage that I have is that the Nars lip balm transfers lightly, but it doesn't smear onto my face either when I take the mask off. And finally, it's an easy eye look. I really like the Mercier Caviar stick. It's so easy to use, and I love the color that I get with it. Okay, so if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe. I love making makeup tutorials. It's something I've enjoyed watching, so I want to pay it forward by making videos of my own. And I'm also going to post a video about what my favorite products from Sephora are, because the holiday sale started. So I'll let you know what I've purchased, what I have purchased already, but I highly recommend. So that video is coming up, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you're having a really beautiful fall. Stay healthy, wear your masks, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.